Good morning from Chattanooga, Tennessee. Let's get the day started. See, I just woke up in Chattanooga, Tennessee. That was a comfortable sleep. Let's wrap things up in this hotel. I gotta check out in a little bit. I think 10. It's 9:39. Fucking whatever. But yeah, we're gonna wrap things up and head on out and check out Chattanooga, Tennessee, and head on over to Chicago for the night. So from Chattanooga to Chicago, let's see what we can see, guys. The road trip continues. I got today left and tomorrow left, so I'm psyching. I'm still out here. I'm still traveling. Trip's not done yet, so let's get it going. What's up, y'all? I'm definitely gonna fire up some oats on the stove, and yeah, be on my way. And just like that, you got breakfast, boy. Gosh dang, I could really use a haircut and to shave up my face a little bit, but I don't know why I'm wearing a long sleeve t-shirt. 65 degrees as well, so we're just all fucked up. You thought you were fucked up. Oh, trust me, you don't even know the half of it myself, dude. Nah, but everyone needs to relax. We're all fucking crazy. Anyways, Chattanooga. Yes, I see mountains there. I was like, where the fuck are the mountains? Because I saw the shit last night. I do see a glimpse right there behind the hotel sign here. I don't have a plan for today, so I'm gonna look at the maps and stuff and figure something out, and yeah, let's hit the road. Parking's kind of crazy up here, but I found a spot. We made it work. Alright, I'm gonna go check out the view. Probably bring my camera. Look out, mountain. There's some trails over here. I wonder if we can't get higher up the mountain. I don't know. I kind of want to get going too, but I'm gonna go check it out. Alright guys, I wound up taking the trail because I guess the view is amazing up there, so let's go check it out. Look at this though. Oh, this is pretty. I wanted to get going on the day, get an early start, but I have a feeling I am going to enjoy this. Wow. Really out here on a mountain, dude. Alright, y'all. Wow. I think it's already noon. Yeah, it's noon. Fuck. That means... yeah, I'll be arriving late again in Chicago. It was worth it, though. It was worth it. That view was absolutely incredible. I sat up there for like 5 minutes and soaked it all in. Really reflected on the whole trip, and it was good. It was great. I fucking love that. Now there's this cat cafe. Dude, I walked up to the trail here. I didn't bring my camera because I didn't think I was going to go all the way up. Because I thought I was just going to get this viewpoint and be like, alright, that's cool. But I'm so glad I went up there. But I didn't bring my camera, my big camera, which I probably should have. Snagged a lot of cool photos. But I do have the new iPhone 12 with the freaking 3 cameras and shit. So I did get some cool panoramic shots, some cool photos and videos with that. So that's alright. That's great. This camera on this iPhone is insane. But yeah, that took a lot. Yeah, I started walking on a trail. I'm like, I'm not gonna walk all the way up. But dude, once I walk on a trail, I can't stop until it goes to the end. I have a problem with that. So yeah, it's noon. I'm gonna eat a protein bar right now. I'm gonna stop at the cat cafe. Probably just get a coffee, and then I'll stop in Nashville for lunch. I got a pretty dope ass hotel in Chicago, so I don't want to be too late for that, and I want to experience it. Alright, I'm gonna make the crazy drive down this mountain. It's actually insane. So, I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit.
This is not very playful.
That one just threw up. He was sick. Yeah, that one. He did throw up. He just hit the other one in the face.
Oh.
This one hit that one in the face. Little back. They do. They just need to walk away.
Salty. I didn't know that was the name of the cat. That's cute.
How many cats did your friend's mom have? Remember?
Alright, well that was absolutely amazing. Look at this view still. Oh my god. Chattanooga's dope, man. Chattanooga's dope. This train was moving earlier. I wanted to get a nice B-roll shot with it moving on the bridge. But I'll just show you guys right here what I'm talking about. I'll stick with that B to get a nice little scenic shot of the train moving on the bridge with the mountain in the background. But I didn't get it. Would have been sick though. I was like, I want to get to this cat cafe, which was awesome. I went there, dude. Super cool place actually. So it's kind of cool. They charge you like $13 some like for half hour or something like that. But all the proceeds go to just the cat rescue. It's all rescue cats, and dude, I think that's so sweet because cats need a lot of attention, honestly. To have that cafe where people can chill out, drink some coffee, and interact with cats like that, and it's good for the people too. Because I don't know, if you ever pet a dog or a cat, like this is like a fact. I think your blood pressure lowers. I think like your stress in your whole body just lowers or something like that. Like, so that's awesome, man. Super cool thing. So yeah, you pay like $13 for half hour. I don't remember what it was, but then you get a free drink with it as well, and you just vibe with the cats, man. Dude, that's so cool. That's so cool, especially for like introverts like myself, or like just people that enjoy animals, and that's awesome. And yeah, all the cats there are up for adoption. So you can look through the book. They have 36 cats there just roaming around in the lobby. It's fucking sweet, man. So glad I stopped there too. Alright, but now we're gonna cruise through the mountains and make our way on over to Nashville. Check out Nashville, Tennessee, man. Here we are. It's pretty dope. But yeah, man, I've been missing my cats. Cause I got two black cats at home. They're like some of my best homies, for real. And I've been missing them, so getting to pet a cat again and getting that cat love, that's great. Shout out to the Naughty Cat Cafe in Chattanooga, Tennessee. That's awesome. That's a cool little thing they got going on there. But anyways, we're headed to Nashville. Gonna go check out Nashville, Tennessee, and fly through these mountains. I absolutely love driving through the mountains. It's so much fun. Nashville, here we come. Nashville, I'm here. I'm gonna stop at a place called the Frothy Monkey. I just looked up a couple places. I was like, yo, where to eat in Nashville? The Frothy Monkey popped up. I'm like, yeah, that sounds dope as fuck. Frothy Monkey it is. I will catch up with you guys there. I gotta drive through this shit. Alright, we're in the city of Nashville. Parking's tight. Probably gotta pay the meter. I don't know. This homie is expired though. I'm about to look at what it says. Don't leave valuables in sight. Okay. I will just say it's Saturday, Monday through Saturday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. 2 hour. You know what? I'm just gonna throw some quarters in there. I don't give a shit. All right, walking up to the Capitol building right now. It's kind of hectic right now because about an hour ago, Biden won the election for U.S. presidency. So, looks like a little bit of a civil war is about to break out. Nah, it's pretty mellow. People with Trump signs, kind of getting hectic over here. Yeah, kind of interesting. Kind of not really at all though. Holy shit, bud. Oh, there's the Capitol building. I'm just gonna get out of here. I'm hungry as fuck. Yo, I can only handle so much of that shit. What? Yeah, people are going crazy, man. Well, I'm in Nashville. I am going to the Frothy Monkey. Fuck yeah, I'm so hungry right now. And I gotta piss. There's a fucking horse coming down the street right now. You guys wanna see it? Fucking Nashville, baby. Yo, I'm psyching still from that coffee. I had coffee at the freaking Cat Cafe. I'm energetic right now. That's dope. That's dope. Hell yeah. Big ass building. It's got a New York City vibe, you know? A downtown city life. Holy shit. Here we are, Union Street. Alright, y'all. The Frothy Monkey was amazing. I got a sweet sweatshirt that says Frothy on it. Frick, man. Another place I wish I could spend more time here. Next time I'm doing a road trip, it's gonna be for 2 months. I swear to God, dude. Every place I come to, I fall in love with. Fuck, dude. I gotta. But the journey continues. Off to Louisville, Kentucky next, and then Indianapolis, and then Chicago. The big buildings. So yeah. Hopefully, politically wise, Chicago ain't too wildin'. It's probably gonna be a hell of a time tonight. That's for damn sure. Let's buckle up and continue this road trip. Y'all are coming with me. I thought I was seeing a convoy right now. These are just work trucks, dog. Holy Christ. I thought those things were on top. I thought they were turrets, bro. like, did I miss something? Is the Civil War actually happening today? They're fucking work trucks, dog. Oh, that's too funny. Alright. Oh man, I need to find a rest area though. I gotta pee bad. Holy shit. Alright. That's a thing. Alright, stopped in Indiana to fuel up. This whole squad rolled up though. Oh fuck. The Mustang gang. Mustang gang. I gotta stay hydrated. I feel a little weird from the coffee earlier today, so that's not fun. I think I'm coming down. Oh shit. Roll out. Dude, I miss my old Mustang. I miss my old Mustang, dude. It's the King gang. I'm gonna roll with them. Alright, Chicago, here we come. Bro, I'm coming into Chicago. This shit is fucking insane. I'm not even in Chicago yet, and this bro. In yesterday's video I said Atlanta goes hard. I think Chicago's next level, dog. This is something else, dog. Anyways, yeah, coming into Chicago. Yeah. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. Look at this shit. Buddy, what are you doing? Alright, found some parking for tonight. If you wanna ask why I'm parked like that, well, I figured it was appropriate since homie over here is like that, so I don't know, match it. Anyways, let's yeah. I'm off, dude. I feel weird. I think I've been driving for way too long this whole past week, dude. I think I just need to chill out for a little bit, and I need to go get some food. So, without further ado, let's go check into the hotel. Nah, bro, like Florida. I don't know. They said that there'd be gators there right now, but dude, they were really hard to find. I don't know, man. Wow. Okay, this is insane. Dude, I'm in the heart of Chicago right now. Look at this shit, dude. This is incredible. Yo, check it. We got this area too. It's the bathroom. Wow. I mean, it does alright. There's my frothy sweatshirt. Bro, this is crazy. What have I done? Look at this. You don't want to be seen? Yeah. Goodbye, city. Oh, Chicago. To some people, this would be making it. To one day just do what I just did and be able to buy a luxury hotel like this. In my opinion, I don't think anyone ever makes it. I think that they just always strive to go get more. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm only here for a night. I don't think I made it per se. I just saved up a lot of money and worked my ass off to get to this point in my life. And let's just go enjoy the city. I'm gonna go get some pizza or something. Alright, so I'm taking a shower right now. And I go to pull a towel out, and this comes flying out. It's Scotch whiskey, dude. And it looks sealed. That's a weird seal. And it pops off real easy, and it's not full. I'd imagine it's fine. It just, I don't know, it just seems used to me or something, but I doubt it. I don't know. It was in the towel. That's lit. That's fucking so sick. Alright. Just showered. Time to go hit the town. Get some food, get some drinks. See where the night takes us. That's whiskey, dude. Wow. Fuck you, don't call me a bitch. That's about all I need right now. I'm gonna go get some food. And then wait. You know what? Fuck it. This shit's good. Fuck me, dude. I was really looking forward to getting drinks tonight, but they got everything shut down and closed off because of all the people going wild. When I got here, the restaurants were still open. I should have just went straight to the restaurant. But here we are, walking the streets of Chicago downtown. Nobody's on the street over here, anyways. Over by my hotel, it's kind of nutty, but like, look at this place. It's called the Pink Taco, bro. It's a Saturday night, ain't nobody here. It says it's open till 2. Fuck me, dude. So I mean, I came at the right time to see all the crazy commotion, but I also came at the wrong time because now I can't really enjoy the city, for what it is. It's alright, we still got a dope hotel to go back to, and I don't know why I'm wearing this. There's no one on the streets right now. I think I'm just gonna head back to the hotel, call it a night. Yeah, bro, this shit's legal here. Alright, y'all, that's gonna end today's video. It's very late right now. Checkout's at 12. So that's pretty dope. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the last night of my trip. Right there. In the heart of Chicago. Stay hydrated, y'all. Chicago's dope as fuck. Absolutely. I love it. I'm procrastinating on going to sleep because I don't want to wake up tomorrow knowing that I'm about to fall asleep for work that tomorrow night. Because after this night, we're not on the trip no more. That's insane to think about. It's been 11 days I spent out here. It's freaking wild, man. Yo, it's been so sick. I'm glad y'all came on for the ride. Anyways, I'll catch up with you guys in tomorrow's video. What a sick trip, though. Oh my god. It's just hitting me right now. Anyways, I'll talk about it tomorrow. I'm gonna leave you guys here with this view of Chicago. And let's give up peace and love.
Your life is a gift, keep on giving. Yeah, I'm living, happy as can be. I don't care what they say or see. I'm gonna be me, my best version you see. I will stand my own ground where I plant my own 2 feet.